this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I am sharing these thank you cards. They're 3x3 cards. It's a set. I also made the little box that coordinates it. It says many thanks right there. And I'm using our new in colors, 2018-2019 in colors. And these are our mini pizza boxes, and they fit the 3x3 cards perfectly. So I just made this little box, just put it together and decorated it to fit these thank you cards. I'm not going to share how to do this because it's super quick and easy, and it's, if you want to see it, I can do it at a later time. Just let me know in the comments below. But I'm going to focus today on the 3x3 cards. So what you need for this is some 6x3, and then you score them in half at 3. I am using the thick Whisper White for these. You're going to need the new 2018-2020. That's what these are, 2018-2020 in colors. I said 19, I think, earlier. But these are all the new in colors. And so this is Call Me Clover, Grapefruit Grove, Pineapple Punch, Lovely Lipstick, and Blueberry Bushel. You've seen me use a couple of these already. And I love these new in colors this year. So you're going to need the Designer Series paper pack. And I think I've mentioned before that I'm going to be using this a ton because I love polka dots and stripes. But this is the 6x6 pack. And I just cut these pieces at 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. And then you are going to need the little Whisper White. These are 2.5 by 2.5 squares. So you need 5 of each one of them. And these are the 5 different colors. So it is going to go pretty quick and easy, and these are so fun to give as a gift. Now I could just stick these, I'll show you, and I will make envelopes to go with these too, but they fit perfectly in here, and you have enough room to fit your envelopes and everything in there. So that is what I'm making as a little gift. And so I'm going to get these all ready to go, and we're going to just put on our Designer Series paper, and then we'll start stamping. So I'm just going to use some snail to adhere the Designer Series paper. If you like the stripe side better, you can do the stripes. I really like the polka dots on these. So that's the Call Me Clover. These 3x3 cards are so fun. I love doing 3x3, and I always give them as little gifts. And they go so quick and easy. And then one more, the Blueberry Bushel. I'm starting to get the in color colors. I have a whole lot of other ones to try to remember too. Okay, so we have that all on there. So let's go ahead and get out our Whisper White and get stamping on these. I know I have another one there. There we go. Okay, first one we're going to do is the Pineapple Punch. And I'm just going to stamp it right in the center. And then we're going to use the little flowers. So that's that one. I'm going to get out my little absorber sponge so I can clean these in between. This is really handy for that too. And this thing rinses out. And I usually keep it in a little Tupperware like that. After I finish each project I usually go and wash it out and put it back in that container. It will stain, but it still works good. Okay, so the next one, oh, the stamp set. Let me show you the stamp set. This is the stamp set that I'm using, and I also used this and the flower for the front of the box. So that's the one that we're using. This is Lovely Lipstick. The red does stain the photopolymer, but it doesn't hurt it. And then we're going to do the Blueberry Bushel. Oh, got my finger on that one. Fingerprint. Isn't that pretty? I love this one. It looks just like blueberry. And then the Grapefruit Grove we're going to do next. And then last but not least is the Call Me Clover. This is really pretty too. I have to say I love the new in colors. They're so pretty. Okay, so that is all of those. Now all we have to do is adhere it to the front of the card, and they will be all ready to go. So again, I'm going to use snail. You can pop these up with dimensionals too if you like it popped up. But I find when you're giving it as a gift, it's better just to leave them without popping them up, because they may not all fit in the box if you pop them all up. It's going to make them taller. And see how quick these can go? I love 3x3 cards. I haven't done them in a while, so I thought it was time, since we got the new in color, to do some. Whoop, looks like I'm at the end of my, I'm going to just grab my fast fuse really quick here. So that is it. So you have all your new in colors ready to give. And a lot of people like these little thank you ones, because you're always needing a thank you for something. So that is it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop for my blog. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and then hit the bell for notifications to upload, to get notification every time I upload a new video. So I hope you liked it, everyone. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.